In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address in Common App. First, start by signing into your Common App account. You will see a clean and organized dashboard once you're logged in. This is your central hub for managing your college applications. It's important to enter your username and password correctly to ensure a smooth login. If you have forgotten your password, there's an option to reset it. This step is crucial because accessing your account is the first move toward making any updates. After signing in, you will feel a sense of control over your application process. Once you are signed in, open My Common Application. This section is typically found in the main menu. A click here takes you to the heart of your application. You will notice various tabs that allow you to navigate through your information easily. Here, you can review your application components, check deadlines, and make necessary changes. This step is important because it consolidates all your application information in one place, making it easier to manage. Next, go to the Profile section. This area contains vital personal information that colleges will review. You will see options for different categories like personal information and contact details. Navigating to this section allows you to access the specific details you want to change. It's a straightforward process that ensures your application reflects your most current information. Finding your way here is essential for making the updates you need. Now select personal information or contact details. Both of these options may contain the address fields you need to edit. Clicking on either will bring up the sections where you can input your current address. This clarity is important as it allows you to pinpoint exactly where to make your changes. Once you select the right category, you will feel confident that you are in the right place to update your information. After that, update your current address and, if needed, your permanent address. Make sure to enter the information accurately. This is the section where you can provide your new address details. It's essential to double-check what you enter to avoid any mistakes. An accurate address is crucial for receiving important communications from colleges. Once you have made your changes, you can feel assured that your information is current. Next, save your changes before submitting your application. Look for a prominent Save button, usually at the bottom of the page. Clicking this button ensures that all your updates are stored in the system. This step is vital because it prevents any loss of information. After saving, you will typically see a confirmation message giving you peace of mind that your changes have been recorded. Keep in mind that if you have already submitted your application, updating your address in Common App may not update the information colleges have already received. This is a critical point to remember. Colleges may still have your old address on file. Therefore, it is advisable to contact each college's admissions office directly to update your address with them. This proactive step ensures that you do not miss any important communications from the schools you are applying to. By following these steps, you can confidently manage your address changes in Common App. Each action ensures you're keeping your application current and accurate. This attention to detail shows colleges that you are organized and proactive. Good luck with your applications, and remember that keeping your information updated is an essential part of the process.